At siyempre po, bago ang iba, ating tawagin para magsalita, isa munang intermission number. Special number mula kay Ate Catherine. Palamakan mo natin si Ate Catherine. Isa rin ninang mo yan.
Okay, salamat. Happy birthday, Brooklyn. Alim yun. Okay. Okay, para sa mga ninang, sa lahat na nandito.
Ay, magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Magandang umaga sa ating 2,305 viewers po mga kaibigan. Ngayon po ay birthday namin yun. Simple po. Binyag.
Para sa inaanak. Okay, Brooklyn. Your smile is my first heartbroken. My eyes are not the first to cry. I'm not the first to know. There's just no getting over you. I know I'm just a fool who's willing to sit around and wait for you. But baby, can't you see there's nothing else for me to do? I'm hopeless, lady, devoted to you. But now there's no other high since you pushed my love aside. I'm out of my head, hopelessly devoted to you. Hopelessly devoted to you. My head is singing, forget him. My heart is saying, don't let go. Hold on to the end. That's what I intend to do. I'm hopeless, lady, devoted to you. But now there's no other high since you pushed my love aside. I'm out of my head, hopelessly devoted to you. Hopelessly devoted to you. Hopelessly devoted to you. Ate, maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat, Ninang Catherine. Okay, March 29 ba? Okay, no, wala problema yan. Tanong araw. Alam pizza. Tawagin natin. Si Topper para po sa ating special number. Topper. Ayan na po. Ayan, para po kayo alam yun. Ay, shout out po kay Ate Max, Ninong. Ninong. Ninong, ano? Tatari ka Ninong. Ay, dami Ninong. So, sige. Nailagiro, baby.
Time and time to win back your love again. I will be there. I will be there. Love, only love can bring back your love someday. I will be there. I will be there. Fight, take a fight to win back your love again. I will be there. I will be there. Love, only love can break down the walls someday. I will be there. I will be there. If we go again, all the way from the start, I will try to change the things that came down there. Try, make a try to trust in my love again. I will be there.
Maraming salamat, Christopher. Ayan po. Isa po sa mga ninong po ni Alimyon, Brooklyn Alimyon. Magtumaw ang anak ni Kuya Brooks. Okay? Andiyan na sila. Ikaw rin mga interview namin. Pagaling po ni Kanta. Para po kina Alimyon at Kuya Brooks. Tawagin po natin. Jocelyn, ang asawa ni Tuper. Kate, palakpak!
Yan, maraming salamat po at happy birthday po kay David Alimyon, kay anak ni Kuya Brooks. Yan. Para po sa inyong lahat, sana magustuhan niyo po yung song. At syempre salamat po kay Kuya Val Santos Matulog. Para po sa inyong lahat.
Ay, shout out sa ating lahat, ha?
Ay, dumating ako'y nakahinga dahil sa'yo. Tadhana
ito'y para sa birthday celebrant at sa kanyang amang si Kuya Brooks. Salamat po sa inyong lahat dyan ha, yung ating po mga viewers dyan. Andyan yung mga ninong at ninang, andyan si Marie Pinida, Laila Guerrero, Julay Ponil, RP Max, at lahat po ng ibang ninong na nasa live natin. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Kung ito po, mga kalingap, ang ating pong duet ngayon, Topper at Jocelyn. Kaya nilabas ang kunti. Kaya alam yun.
Ayan, nandito na naman po kami. Ayan, handog po namin sa inyo lahat.
Kaya para po sa inyo lahat.
There's only you in my life. The only things that's wrong.
First love, there's only you that I take. Your every step I make.
And
I want to share all my love with you.
no
Never else will do. In your eyes, they tell me how much you care. Unless you will always
wala ba kayong kapakain?
Two hearts that beat as one. Our lives have just begun. Forever, I hold you close in my arms. I can't resist your charms. And love, I